Welcome back, cool kids, and today I'm going to be sharing 3 tips with you on how to have the best bath of your life. But before we get into that, I want to share a throwback tip with you on how to best utilize your time on set when shooting an action scene.
Get your fucking hands in here!
First thing I like to do when we get on location, especially when we're shooting an action scene that day, is to grab the actors and have them do a full run through. They'll actually go through the choreography and I'll shoot it. That way, when they're getting into costume and they're getting their makeup done, I'll actually cut it on my laptop to make sure all the angles are working, making sure there's no issues, so that I can fix it then and there rather than trying to cover it up in post.